Hi guys, I am Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook where you can eat better, spend less. I am here with my faithful assistant Heidi. Everybody loves Heidi. Everybody, I know, when we closed our grocery group, the one thing everybody was sad about was that Heidi wasn't going to be there anymore.
So, I'm still here. Well, when you said your assistant quit, everyone thought it was me.
Yeah, so we had four assistants, but two of them, one quit and then one I guess I kind of fired, but only because I was closing down my soap portion of the business because I just can't do it. And so Heidi did not quit. My other assistant, Gina, she had to quit. So Heidi's still with us. So thank you. All right, today we are talking about meal planning. So Heidi and I were like, what do we talk about? Because we don't do it.
Say about meal planning.
So what's funny about meal planning is people love meal planning. And
I think they just like the cute printouts.
Well, here's the thing. Even we have Dining on a Dime has meal plans right here that goes
I'm not going to say that I haven't ever meal planned. I have meal planned, but I always fall out of it. I just don't stick with it.
And we even have entire ebooks written on meal plans. We have go check out our store at Living on a Dime if you love meal plans. And here's the thing. Meal plans are good for giving you ideas.
Yeah.
But the thing is, most families eat the same 10 meals summer and winter.
Yeah.
They eat the same 10 meals spring and summer, and then they eat the same 10 meals fall and winter. So what we do, Mom and I, is basically we have 10 menus for each season, and then we just eat those on a rotation. And when you say, well, that's only 10 meals, well, you only eat it 3 times a month.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's not bad, I don't think.
I'm sure that every once in a while you're throwing in, something random that somebody's craving or something different. Yeah. You're not. Yeah.
So I don't know. So that's how Mom and I do it. How do you do your meal plan?
I like what sounds good for dinner. Yeah. Here's the thing. When you're the cook, you get to decide, right?
I know. And Heidi and I are both the same. We really don't plan. I plan about 15 minutes before dinner what I'm having.
Maybe we're just rebellious. Well, I don't know. I'm a little different there. I do always know what I'm going to have by 11 o'clock because I don't like the after school, all the kids come home, it's crazy. And then I'm thinking about what's for dinner. I like to have it earlier. And then if the meat needs to get out or something needs to be chopped up, I can kind of be prepared for that. So,
yeah. See, I'm usually not even that prepared.
11:02 and I don't know what I'm having.
So here's the thing. Why don't we meal plan? Because we stockpile our food and we use our freezers as our pantries. So we don't go to the grocery store every week. Now, you can go grocery shopping every week. That's fine. But we find that we save more money shopping out of our pantry for what we're going to eat that day or that week. Yeah. Instead of going to the grocery, this week, my grocery stores don't have anything good on sale. Last week,
Memorial Weekend's coming up, so you just eat.
Yes. And last week, they had strawberries on sale, so I got a whole bunch of strawberries. Well, because I have chicken left over from the last chicken sale, I've only got one thing left, but I've got chicken left over from the last chicken sale that I can use. I had a pork roast that I can use. And so I don't have to go shopping.
Yes.
And it saves so much time.
I want to ask you, would it be unusual for you to spend 50% of your weekly budget on maybe one thing? Would that be unusual?
No.
No, me neither.
No.
I may spend half of my budget on just chicken or just hamburger, but we're not going to starve because I still got lots of other food that we can eat at home.
Yeah, and see, I get that on my grocery haul videos all the time. They're like, well, you just got 25 boxes of cereal. Yeah, I did. And I'm not buying...
I don't eat chicken. Yeah, because I have 50 pounds in my freezer. Exactly.
And I'm not buying cereal for 5 months.
Yeah. So you're not going to see cereal next week. We're not going to eat only cereal, and you're not going to see it in my grocery haul next week.
Yeah. And so that's where people can't I don't think they can, I don't know how to get them to grasp that concept because it's not a difficult concept at all. But people are like, well, I just can't save any money. My budget is just down as low as it can get. And I tell every person that tells me that, I'm like, I can find it. And they're, oh, no, you can't. Yes, I can. And I do. And so here's what you do. So let's say you're buying chicken at $4 a pound right now, and you don't have any money. So instead of buying chicken at $4 a pound, you wait, and when chicken goes on sale for $1.49 a pound, $2 a pound, whatever, buy double that amount. It costs you the same. You're still spending the same. But now you've saved for the next week or the next month that amount. So that then when hamburger goes on sale and you're not paying $4 a pound, you're paying $2 a pound, then you can save. And it starts.
Because you already have the chicken in your freezer.
Yeah.
You can buy the ground beef at that point because you don't need to buy chicken. So if you're normally buying chicken and ground beef every week,
there's a problem.
Wait for one of them to go on sale.
Yeah.
And stock up.
Yeah. And people are always like, oh, well, I just can't find it. Okay. So instead of buying your kids the fruit snacks that are no nutrition and they're just a treat, they're not a lunch. You don't
candy.
Candy. It's candy. You don't need it in your lunch. So instead of buying the fruit snacks, save that money, put it towards something like an extra bag of cuties, which right now they're clearancing the cuties in our area because it's getting close to summer, so we can still get them for pretty good, not for very much longer. Get an extra bag of cuties. That's what my kids are eating in their lunch for actual nutritional value.
Yeah.
And not just candy in the form of food. So that's how we do it. And even, let's say you get your tax return. Let's say you sell something. Let's say you get an extra, escrow payment from your home, from your loan or something. Let's say you pay off a credit card. Take that credit card payment that you would have spent, hold back a couple of payments and use it to stock up so that you can menu plan. So how do we go about menu planning? We really just don't. We just look and see what needs to be used up now. That's the number one thing.
Yes.
Don't let food get freezer burned.
Well, here's the thing. If you have broccoli in your fridge and it's going to go bad eventually, anything in your fridge is perishable. It's going to go bad. Then you're not going to stick to your menu plan because you're not going to want to throw that away. You're going to want to incorporate that so it gets used up.
Yeah. So first, shop your refrigerator first. Shop your fruits and vegetables first. Shop your leftover meats that are in the fridge. If you're not getting them in the freezer, the same for later, use up those leftover meats. Like right now I have a pork roast in there that I need to use up. I'm going to use it for green chili tonight, and then I'm going to freeze the rest.
You're so lucky. I don't have any leftovers in my fridge.
Oh, no.
It's like a sad day. I don't have leftovers.
Then shop your fridge first.
Yes.
Then your freezer. Look and see what you need to use up in your freezer. Then your pantry. And in your pantry, start with perishable things like your pastas and your cereals and those kinds of things, and then work your way up to the canned goods.
Yeah.
That's how we plan our meal. We see
why not to menu plan is because if you have a menu plan and your fridge is full of leftovers, what are you going to do? Are you going to throw those leftovers away? Because that's not going to save you money.
No, you eat the leftovers. Yeah.
Eat the leftovers.
Yeah. So guys, that's how we menu plan. We really don't.
It's a lazy method.
It is. And it saves so much time and energy though, don't you think?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe
if
my kids were in a gazillion different activities, I was running here and running there, and I would menu plan to put something in the crock pot. I don't know. I don't have that crazy of life.
No, I don't either. So, all right, guys. So that's how we menu plan. We don't. Sorry to disappoint you.
Greatest menu planning video ever.
I know. All right. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook. You'll find it in the description below. And why don't you guys leave some ideas for what you guys eat for menus so we can get some.
And you plan, good for you. We're not hating on
no,
you.
We're not. We're just saying we don't do it. So
we're just lazy.
I know.
Be like us.
We'll see you guys next time.
Okay, bye.